Good morning, everyone of class 8 standard. Today we'll start we'll continue the same chapter question answer part of energy. Okay, so long answer type question from here we will start today. So first question is given in long answer type question, that is the state the law of conservation of energy by giving suitable example. Okay, law of conservation of energy means we all know that energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, but it can change the form from one to another. Suppose if you take the example to elaborate this example, this law of conservation of energy, then simply you take the example of simple pendulum. We all know that simple pendulum is this type of thing where a inextensible string is there or thread is there, a mass, that bob is present, and now we will give the oscillation on the both side. In this way it will oscillate. So if you just see that one, this is the ground portion. Okay, and in this way when it will oscillate, so when it will come to the A position and B position, that means the extreme positions, then potential energy will rise up. Potential energy mgh will be more here also and here also. And when it will come to the equilibrium condition, that means in the mean position, then in this case the kinetic energy is getting higher. So one time potential energy is getting more and one time kinetic energy is coming more. Okay, so in this way you can change that kinetic energy plus potential energy is remaining constant in each and every instant of time. Clear? So here potential energy maximum, kinetic, when it will come to the rest, then kinetic energy is zero. In this case potential energy is coming to the rest, so kinetic energy is maximum. In this case the kinetic energy is zero here, so maximum. In this way the conversion is taken place and this particular thing is remaining constant. Total energy conservation of energy, what is that one? That total energy will remain constant, but it can able to change from one to another. Potential to kinetic, kinetic to potential, potential to kinetic again, kinetic to potential. So in this way change is happening but total value is remaining constant. So that is the answer. Next one. Explain the different types of work by giving example that I discussed in the previous video. Three types of work: positive, negative, and the zero work. You know that one. What are the examples? So I am not taking the time for that one. Now come to the question number 3. In question number 3, it is given that what are the units of work defined its CGS and the SI system. Okay, so two types of work units are there in CGS system. If you talk about, then the unit, you know that one. In SI system unit, you know that one, that joule. So these all definitions I have told, so I am not just telling again. Next question: define the kinetic energy, explain its expression by giving suitable example. Kinetic energy means when a body is in a motion, that means for the virtue of its motion the energy which is coming up, so that is called the kinetic energy. Expression: if the body is having mass m and moving with a speed v amount, then kinetic energy will be half mv square. Next question: tabulate the difference between the kinetic and the potential energy, that I discussed. Next come to the question number C part. Pick the correct one. What will be the work done if the direction of force and direction of motion of an object are in opposite direction? The answer will be negative. Okay, so first answer will be negative, question number C. Next one: what is the SI unit of work? So joule will be the answer. Okay, next one: a kinetic energy of a body depends on what? Depends on its mass and speed. Okay, so both mass and speed. Because half m square is the relation. Next one: a body at rest may have potential energy, kinetic energy, velocity, momentum. If the body is at the rest position, okay, then it will have the potential energy. Clear? It will have the potential energy. Next one: water stored in dam possesses what type of energy? We all know that, potential energy. So these are the answers. Next come to the question D, fill in the blanks type question. SI unit of work is what? That is joule. Clear? The potential energy produced by a body by virtue of its position in a gravitational field is called its gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy, you can write down. Next one: energy can neither be created nor destroyed but can only be changed. It can be changed. Clear? Next one: as mass and v square, as mass m and v square are always positive, therefore dash is always positive, that cannot be negative. Kinetic energy cannot be negative anytime, okay, it is always positive, because we know that one half mv square is the formula of kinetic energy. M is always positive, and whatever the velocity of this one speed is, of the body is present, negative or positive, as it is in square form, so always it will come positive, so this whole thing will coming as positive. So that is they are telling. Next one, when the pendulum oscillates, it has dash at the extreme position and dash at the mean position. I've told that one. So extreme position potential energy, mean position kinetic energy. Next one, define the following term. Question number E. So that is given that kinetic energy, for the virtue of its motion, whatever the energy present on a body is called the kinetic energy. Next one, potential energy, virtue of its position, whatever the energy is present on a body, that is potential energy. Law of conservation of energy, I told. Power is energy by time. Numerical may come in the exam also, okay, because energy by time, from here you can able to get the idea. Next one, gravitational potential energy, the potential energy present on the gravitational field, it is called the gravitational potential energy. Next one, true false type question. Force acting opposite to the direction of motion of a body does negative work on it. True. So first one is true. Second one, it is not possible to convert one form of energy to another. False. It can be possible. Next one, power is a quantity that helps us to identify who has more money. So false. Next one, if a force F acts on a body and the block moves over a distance S in a direction of force, then the amount of work done W is given by W is equal to F plus S. This is not F plus S, this is F into S. So false one. Okay. Next one is that energy is a must for doing work. Yes, energy is definitely required. So true. So these are the questions. Next question I will give you in the assignment. Okay. So I will in the next video will start with the new chapter. Okay. Thank you.